Now, India is the second largest manufacturer of mobile phones in the world. Recently, the milestone of converting diesel locomotives into 10,000 horsepower electric engines has also been established by India as a part of Make in India initiative. Asia's largest medtech zone is being established in Andhra Pradesh. Defense corridors are being established in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, which will not only strengthen our security through establishment of production facilities for defense equipment but also provide employment to the youth. Soon the passengers will also be able to avail the ultra modern facilities of our fastest train Vande Bharat Express. I also want to congratulate the scientists and engineers of our country who are tirelessly working for recognition of India's prowess in this era of modern technology. The scientists and engineers from ISRO, in particular, are proving their preeminent position in the world by setting new records in launching satellites. I, on behalf of the nation, convey our best wishes to our scientists and engineers for Mission Gangayaan. Stop. Para. The focus of my government on timely completion of tasks with accountability has resulted in increasing the confidence of the people in government functioning and has also enhanced the phase of development of my government has established a reputation for time bound completion of projects. Many projects where delays in completion had become synonymous with injustice to common people of this country, such as India's longest Bogibeel Railroad Bridge in Assam, Western Peripheral Expressway near Delhi Kolam bypass in Kerala have been fast tracked and completed by completing their projects. My government has done justice to the resources of the nation and aspirations of the people, developing modern infrastructure for economic development as per the needs of 21st of century is the aspiration of every Indian, especially the middle class sensitive to their aspirations. My government is completing new projects at a fast pace. The airport terminal constructed at Prayagraj in a record period of 11 months is an evident example. Last year, the country's first container vessel sailed along the national waterways from Kolkata and reached Varanasi. Eastern Peripheral Expressway, started in November 2015, has also been dedicated to the nation last year. My government believes that eastern part of India, comprising East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, and the states of Northeast, has the potential to become a new growth engine. Therefore, my government is relentlessly striving so strengthen the infrastructure related to railways, highways, waterways, and airways in eastern India. Under Udan Yojana 19, new airports are being built in eastern India, and of these, 5 are coming up in the northeast. Stop.